directional control pedal, all resulting in smooth and very precise operation. The Mosmatic high-pressure cleaning service offers a wide range of cleaning services for surfaces such as concrete, wood, flagstone, and even graffiti removal or gum removal. Mosmatic can supply effective and efficient cleaning equipment for any type of operation. It has an all-in-one cleaning tool that meets the highest quality, ergonomic design, and durability standards for everyday use. Cleaning effectiveness and efficiency, a fluid recovery system, and a gum remover bracket are among the additional features. The Hydro Trike is a liquid manure processor that is distinguished by a fifth mid-wheel at the front. The purpose of this big wheel is to ensure stable performance in hilly and undulating terrain. A self-contained system drives the mid-wheels. The Hydro Trike is designed with cutting-edge technology, such as sensors that automatically vary manure delivery based on land composition and record the data. It can be equipped with a packed machine capable of installing larger diameter pipes to depths of 1.8 meters. Aside from its design, one of the factors helping this is its V-blade trench method. This also has a GPS control complete with a manual override. Its pipe has a maximum diameter of 200 millimeters coupled with a plow unit that can pivot up to 12 degrees on both sides. Cool, isn't it? Lifting heavy objects is no problem for the Hydro M-Drive Marine Forklift. This is all credits to its features like the hydrostatic drive, easy servicing throttle settings, wired remote controls, and dual direct. We have the OJK13 clearing machine from Suoke1. Oi! This is a screw-type ditcher capable of clearing ditches regardless of what condition they're in. Believe it or not, it can cleat any tree, root, or stump in just one go. This is thanks to its 220 horsepower tractor that can also pull out the peat on both sides of the ditch and spreads evenly across the strip. The 4020 V-Plow is for its gears. For example, if the disc goes against an obstacle, the unique disc-bearing station protects the mower. The shaft holding the disc is sheared above the bearing, which results in the increased protection of the gears. This is also undoubtedly the leading machine of its kind on the market with the unmatched adaptability and advanced features it has. Finally, wheels used. Since this is done in a natural way, the process is also much slower, which means that the shelf life of these grains are also longer. Such a useful machine. Kun North America has also graced us with their new generation FC460 mower. This mower has been famous in the market since it offers unique protection. First, the ear and straw in cornfields should be plucked. Then, these will be placed to the rear hydraulic tilting hopper, which leads us to the final step, or the direct loading to a transporting vehicle. The grain loader system by Loftness is capable of loading massive amounts of grain. It places all the grains in long polyethylene bags with 10 feet diameter and lengths of up to 500 feet and seals it up immediately. By doing such, oxygen level in the bag is reduced while carbon dioxide is increased. This process is crucial in killing the fungus and insects in grains without any chemical. The Bosley farming machinery has come up with a crop harvester that has a 3-row portable harvesting drive and a backpack storage system. This machine does not only save time but also cuts down labor costs. Thanks to its V-belt and gear drive belt type powered by a tractor, this allows you to harvest up to 0.8 acres an hour. Moving on, we also have this amazing planter from Group Euro Direct, with features for soil preparation. Usually, it's used in pre-ridging or as a ridge cutter. It has 9 different support wheels, which makes it possible to carry up to 2.5 or 3 tons. The tiller's width can also be adjusted either at 75, 80, or 90 centimeters, hence giving the operators more capacity to see the crops and avoid unnecessary damage. Performance is also raised to another level thanks to its smart engineering and hydraulic drive. If you're looking for a wood harvester that can flexibly work, even in the most challenging terrains, the Ecolog might be perfect for you. Thanks to its unique suspension arm, its chassis is capable of tilting up to 25.5 degrees laterally. This is also powered by a 35 horsepower Volvo Pento engine that needs minimal movement since it has a 350-degree rotatable swivel cap, thus giving us the most reliable and fuel-efficient wood harvester in the market. Especially if they're using the canal system. One of the most effective machines to assist in such tasks is one from the class Heitzma. Aside from its Hamos throwing wheel ditch cleaner, it can also easily replace all mowing bucket cranes through its performance. Customers are also guaranteed that silt and mud are efficiently removed from the ditch with the help of its blades.